All right, Coop. What's the game plan for today?
We're up here at the top of this hill. We got a field down there. We can go down there, hopefully get us a doe to put some meat in the freezer. We got too many does out here, so we got to do some herd management. So hopefully we can get one.
Down here with my cousin Cooper on their farm. Inviting me down here to do some doe management. Tell them the game plan.
We out here in this field. It's about 1.5 acres. We got way too many does out here, so hopefully we can get a big fat doe, put some meat in the freezer, man.
We'll see some rubs on the way down here. So
yeah, we did see some
maybe we can get
rubs,
a buck.
so if we see a big shooter buck, we'll take him too. So hopefully we can get one on the ground.
It's a doe.
Yeah, it's a doe.
That's a big doe.
Stay still, she's looking at us.
That's a big doe right there, big doe.
Yeah, I bet you won't shoot her with her facing us like that.
Got 2 deer coming in. They both big does.
I think that one in the back's bigger. There's 2 deer in the field working towards that feeder right now. Might shoot one, might not. We think the one up front is bigger. He's gonna shoot when this doe gets out of the way, so he's looking right at us right now. He's about to shoot this deer. You got room? Ethan's about to shoot this deer on the right. Yeah. Come on. Oh, you smoked her.
Yep, she did.
Nice shot.
She did. Oh yeah. Perfect.
Down right there. Nice shot.
Dropped her, man.
Nice shot, Ethan.
Oh yeah. Right there in its tracks. Perfect shot. Me right behind it. Right there in its shoulder. Alright, guys, you can see we got a good healthy doe here. Dropped it. How far of a shot was that? 60 something?
About 60 yards, yeah.
Shout out to Cooper for letting me come kill this beautiful
Yes,
doe out
sir.
on his field this evening. And we got this doe at like 4:40, something around there.
Yes, sir.
We got our hunt done early this evening. Thank y'all for watching. Go like, subscribe, and comment. See ya.